Hola. Привет. Guten Tag. Auf Wiedersehen. Arrivederci. I don't know what they all mean, but I just have a few every now and then to give somebody some hope, like myself, to get a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to get notified when I drop content. Hot and ready like a Little Caesar P6, except you won't get the Little Caesars like I have literally all the time, and they never end. It's just crazy. Whiskey distillery. Excuse me. We'll go ahead and check that out. I probably should have scooted over there to set myself up a little bit better, but I didn't. Why? Because I am a simp. Walking sideways. He might have seen me. Huh. Oh, something I do need to check is propaganda. Over time, you'll start seeing different posters getting put up. This is the guy I took out last time. It's Thaddeus Campbell. I branded him with the Heretics brand. I guess I'm doing okay with the... We'll see. So we'll go over here and I'll show you what happened over at, It looks uncomfortable, bro. What happened in the distillery after I did the deed. The dirty deed. Done. Dirt. Trash. For clout. And I guess I will try to stick to the... I don't even have to go this way. What am I doing? Since you were invited this time.
Elixir is supposed to prevent the plague sickness. Fight it all. But someone poisoned the bootlace still, and now we got the elixir that gives you the plague. I don't think that's what that word means.
See, this is what happened. That's what the plague does. That's what COVID or cloutvid-20 does to your mind. Yes, that freaked me out a little bit, okay? They make weird noises. And I think, what's this note say again? This art dealer, Bunting, is a man of taste. If anyone left in Dunwall has something worth stealing, it's him. So whoever opens the safe gets double the normal cut. Slack Raw. You get to meet Slack Raw. And if you read the books, what's the one I had? I think it's called The Corroded Man. I've read the books. I really enjoyed the story. But the one I have is called The Corroded Man. It goes into... What is it? It goes into after. It goes in between what happened in this one, in this game, to the transition of what happened in Dishonored 2, I think, if I remember correct. It's very interesting, it's full of detail, and it's fun to read. But I'm illiterate, so I wouldn't actually even know any of that. So you can't listen to me, I'm biased. Distillery reserve key. Just because they're friendly right now, if you accidentally drop on top of one of them, you will make them mad, and they will try to slap you around with their swords. Wait, we can just come over here, right? Oh, shit. I thought I shot him in the head. I swear I shot him in the head, man. You could just open the door and let them out, and the boys will take care of them, but I'm doing things a little bit differently, like I said a while ago, a few videos ago. I'm not going to keep that significant of track of everything I do. I expect you, the viewer, to go through my playlist, which I am creating right now, so that you can go to the first one, over to this one, in succession, so you can see the progress, and so you can enjoy the game as much as I do. Why? Because I'm illiterate, and I'm a simp. Duh. Like this guy, look at him. Look out. White is... Oh, what? What? A cigarette? I thought everybody smoked cigars. I'm confused. Maybe the asset lost its color. I don't know, man. That's weird. Where's this? Oh, we don't go for that yet. We're going to go for that. I will show you what happens. I would inspect all their booties for money, but I'm not like that, you know. Let's go partially talk to Slackraw. Slackaraya. Can I do it now? Nope, completely. What you can do before you infect it is get all your health elixirs. But I never do that because I'm amazing at this game.
He is a villain if I judge your looks right. A villain I might have some work for. Somebody put plague in the poop tank. Half my men are weepers. Trapped 3 of them in the distillery. The rest are wandering in the street. Since it's so, when I find myself short of equal bodies, I may have a portal place for you, see?
That's good.
Way I figure it, there ain't nobody worth killing around here except those 2 penguins over in the Golden Cat. I'm
Crazy.
See?
Hey, right before this video.
knows.
Alright,
Them boys are twin.
he's gonna offer me some help. Oh, I already have Crowley's last words. Forgot.
Information from my missing guy. Let's have a listen.
I forgot you can do it here. Oh no, please don't glitch out on me like you do sometimes.
Black Chalk. It's me, Crowley. I'm making this in case you don't think you're back. He's right. There is someone watching dead. Once they take over the distillery, there's a whole bottle street gang. And you'll never believe who it is, neither. At first I did. That's why it's taking me so long. I wanted to be sure. What's that? No! No! Ah! So Crowley's dead. Too bad. He was one of my best men.
I found him like that, okay?
Still,
I didn't do it.
Slackjaw never goes back on a deal. Take this key. It ain't for the Golden Cat, no. This key's for the captain's chair.
Wow, that's weird.
Hotel abandoned since the plague gutted this part of town. Take the stairs to the top. You can use the roof to get into the Golden Cat Grotto. See that? Slackjaw keeps a bargain. Just as good as the men who run the city. Maybe a little better. You think about that. Now maybe we can help each other out again. I could get rid of the Pendletons for you. Quiet-like and without killing them. But you gotta do it.
That's what we're gonna do.
The Cat's having a big reopening.
We're not going to listen to that because I want more clout. I don't get enough. You got to put clout in the in the comment section, not the description. Maybe eventually I'll figure out how to do a description and, you know, do all the things that are supposed to happen and put links and whatnot. I understand all that. I just don't care. I'm not. I could probably use some form of secretarial help that refuses to come over and help me with stuff like this because they want to be egotistical. But that's fine. We can be like that. We can be all like that. Okay, so they escape, and so everybody outside of here is now infected. And the bone charm you usually get inside of here is plague affinity. It's normal. Everybody's infected, right? Yeah. Yep. And that's how the plague starts spreading. It's by you being an asshole. Yep, they got another one. Another one bites the plague. Cloutvid-20 is a powerful drug. Boom. And I think that's about all I can do, right? And then I'll probably push forward a little bit so I can get to the cat a little bit faster. I gotta do that one part. And I'll show you here in a little bit, I suppose. 2 clouts. Peace out.